All right, so we drill a hole here. We're going to slide it here. We'll do the same thing for this one after we rotate this around, and we'll be able to remove this canvas right out that slot without having to take this off. Okay, I'm going to take the sawzall, cut here and here. And I can't hold the camera while I'm doing this, so I'm just going to do this and then come back to it. Alright, so I've taken the sawzall, notched it here and here after drilling a hole there that will line up in this tube. I have one more to do, and then I'm going to sand these down where there's no sharp edges. Okay, using a Dremel bit, I'm going to try to taper this out to where it's smoother and it don't cut my tarp. I'm going to stick my tarp in there. Here we go. After using this to grind this smooth where there's no edges. Okay, I've got one more to do back here. I got to roll this forward, but that's what we want it to look like. Then we're going to be able to slide this out without having to take all of this off. Alright, so we're going to drill just below the crease with a little bit smaller drill bit. Okay, so we drilled directly in line with this, just below the crease here. Well, up the size a bit. We're using a 2164, but it's just what I have in the kit. It's about close to the size. Okay, you can feel it come in line there. Okay, now we'll take the sawzall, make 2 slots, and then we'll grind this smooth. Okay, this is a rough edge, so we're going to take a grinder and smooth those edges up so our tarp don't tear it coming in and out. I'm satisfied that's pretty smooth. Okay, at this point I'm going to take a razor. I'll cut this loose and take this section out first. That'll leave me with one seam to deal with. This typically shrinks too tight to get out. Okay, we'll fold this down. Let's see what kind of problems we're going to run into there. Slide it out. That wasn't bad. Alright, we're going to roll the awning in now. We're going to move it out about that far. Strap it. We'll take some flat zip ties, stick it behind the rail. Get that to where it'll hold. And now we'll let it out. Okay, so to be clear, I rolled this out, but it needs to be on the inside when it's coming out. And then you keep rolling. I had to go back and pull it until you can get these two where you can feed the canopy back in along with here. So I've cut the lip off, but I'll be able to reach these two, slide it all back in, and I'll just have to work it over this, but it should slide right back in. To make this easy, I'm just going to go ahead and cut this out, and then I can get it out faster. think I'll wait till I get a little help.